Fellow travelers, welcome back to Instant Buzz. Today, we'll talk about travel insurance that's sometimes overlooked, but is vital for your peace of mind. You're about to go on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, discovering stunning landscapes, immersing yourself in colorful cultures, and building experiences to last a lifetime. But wait, have you considered the unexpected obstacles that may arise? This is when travel insurance comes into play. Let us answer the burning question: what exactly is travel insurance? It's your safety net, your guardian angel, guarding you against unforeseen events that could derail your travel plans. Travel insurance covers everything from medical emergencies to vacation cancellations, lost luggage, and even aircraft delays. Now, let's look at the most important elements to consider while selecting the best travel insurance package. First and foremost, there is medical coverage. It is critical to ensure that your coverage covers medical bills, emergency medical evacuation, and repatriation, especially when traveling to remote locations. Remember that your health should always come first. The following coverage is for travel cancellation and interruption. Because life is unpredictable, events may happen that need you to cancel or shorten your trip. You can recoup non-refundable fees and even obtain compensation for missed connections with the correct travel insurance. Is your luggage missing? Not a problem. Look for an insurance that covers luggage that has been lost, stolen, or damaged. It's reassuring to know that if your belongings go missing while on the road, you won't be left empty-handed. Another important factor to consider is travel delay coverage. If your trip is delayed or, worse, canceled, travel insurance can come in handy. It can pay for extra lodging, meals, and even alternate transportation to get you to your destination as quickly as feasible. Take the time to study the fine print before getting travel insurance. Familiarize yourself with the policy's terms and conditions, coverage limits, and any applicable exclusions. Remember, knowledge is power, and being well informed will help you make the right decision. Finally, constantly compare several insurance companies and policies to get the best deal. Look for reliable organizations with a history of providing outstanding customer service and receiving positive feedback. Don't rush into a decision. Instead, take your time and make an informed choice. So, fellow explorers, while you plan your next expedition, don't forget to secure your trip with the proper travel insurance. It's a little investment that can spare you from major financial disasters and provide you with the peace of mind to completely enjoy your adventures. That concludes our travel insurance guide. Remember to stay interested, safe, and have your passports ready for your next incredible excursion. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more valuable content.